Hey everyone, want to create cinematic videos in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate movie-style AI videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma AI website. Sign in to your account and open the video creation tool. Next, start a new project by choosing text to video asterisk or image to video asterisk, depending on your workflow. Now write a detailed prompt describing your scene. Include the subject, location, cinematic lighting, camera angles, depth of field, mood, and visual style for the best results. If you're using an image, upload it and describe how you want the scene to move and evolve. Next, adjust the available settings, such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, or motion controls if they're available. Click Generate Asterisk and wait while Luma AI creates your cinematic video. Once it's finished, preview the result and refine your prompt to improve camera movement, lighting, or visual details if needed. Finally, export your completed video and use it for short films, social media, advertisements, or creative storytelling. And that's how to create cinematic videos in Luma AI. With detailed prompts and creative direction, you can produce stunning AI-generated videos that feel like movie scenes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.